Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a gradient video effect to your clip in CapCut Photos. So first, you can select your videos or photos like you edit and just add to the track, and to add the gradients just go to effect and select video effect and trending. You can scroll down, you can find the gradients and here's okay, you can go to spark, no, light effect, and here's radiance effect. Just add to the track and change for resolution, and then can just for the option. But here, atmosphere and speed, and you can see the final result like. So that's how you can add the gradients. If I can CapCut PC, this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.